Go on, do your hand thing. Back out. You gotta go welcome.
Welcome to Fishing with Dill.
Hello, Monday people. I don't know why I'm vlogging because I haven't done anything today. At all. I'm supposed to be doing music videos. Supposed to be doing makeup videos and stuff, but Lynn's making me a salad, Dill's making me a brew. It's a happy Monday for me. And that's about it, really. I don't know what else I'm going to do today, but we'll see. So I've washed and dried my hair now. Most of the sticky's out, to be fair. I might just go ahead and colour it. I'm filming, love. On the other hand, can we just appreciate how Dylan has took over? So that's a box of stuff that his fishing came in. His fishing rods in his bags. That's all fishing stuff. That's fishing stuff. Oh, he's got more rods.
No, I've had this rod for ages.
He's just completely gone fishing mad. So, I've been sat here for like over an hour trying to film a makeup video or a TikTok or play with makeup and stuff like that, but my fibro is like kicking off really bad and my hands are so shaky, my arms are in agony and there's nothing I can do about it, and I just I don't know what to do. I feel like playing with makeup will help me like mentally and give me something to do, but when you physically can't do it, so I finally put my makeup on. However, Dylan has dragged me to, what are we doing?
I'm going pre-baiting a swim that I'm fishing in a few days.
So what's pre-baiting?
It's basically when you throw food into food for the fish into where you're going to be fishing in a few days, and it just puts a bit of, it basically makes them hang around the area that you're going to be fishing. So
they expect more food in a few days?
It's just so you know, so it's just a way of like building the odds up that they're going to be in the area that you're fishing in.
Right, okay.
Because Marley doesn't want to come, I'm stuck with you.
That's rude.
Yeah. I'm going to be throwing it in with me.
I'm not touching it.
You are. How good would that be for a reg plate for me?
No, Dale.
N4 Dale.
So we're just following Dale. Oh Jesus, my knees.
Oh, so yeah.
Agony. And my ankles. So how far away is it from here where you're doing?
It's before the bridge that goes over the canal. Into there, do it. Come down on Saturday, do it. Fish it on Sunday.
Oh right, okay, so you do it a couple of times before you actually want to.
Yeah.
The more you know, kids. However, I look extremely glam for this still.
I'm going to be raking the swim as well today.
Have you got a rake with you?
Yeah, in the bag, in the pocket, sorry. I'll show you that when we get to the swim.
Oh, fab.
What we'll do is, I'll do the hand to the camera.
Oh, will you?
And then I'll do it back out when we're at the...
Okay. Go on, do your hand thing. Back out. You gotta go welcome.
Welcome to Fishing with Dill.
That's your rake?
That's my rake.
Right, okay.
Now all I'm doing now is I've got my handmade weed rake
Right.
So we just throw it into the lake, sinks to the bottom, catches on all the weed that you get your line caught up on, and you drag it out. What it does is it drags all the bottom up as well, so all like the bloodworms and things like that, and larvae get brought up.
Larvae?
Yeah, like larvae.
Is it not larvae?
Or larvae, whatever. It all just gets dragged up, and so there's loads of natural food on the bottom of the lake, plus the stuff that I'm going to be throwing in.
Right, go on then. Do I need to get out of the way?
No.
I will anyway, just in case.
But what you can do is...
Oh, have I got a job?
Yeah, just stand on that.
Oh, I thought I was going to have to put a bag down. It's an expensive bag, love. Look at me standing on it. Nice!
So right off the bottom.
So has that got to go back in my car?
No, well, the rake has, yeah, but what I'll do is once it's done, I'll swill it out.
Yeah, I think you should. Oh yeah, so that's fish feeding now?
Yeah. So what they're doing is they're sucking on the bottom, and they're getting like little gas bubbles released. So you see where I'm breaking now all them bubbles?
Yeah.
Basically like that.
What's that noise? I feel like it's something I need to rescue.
There's a little nest. There's a little nest in the middle of the lake. You stand there, you see it. There's like some dicks on top of it.
Where? Oh. How lovely is that? Should I show you?
Alright mate.
Can you see? How lovely is that?
Yeah, there's like a little grebe's nest. I think it's a grebe.
I mean, look, how lucky are we to literally have that on our doorstep, do you know what I mean? Dill's loving life. Dill's just said it himself though, it's just a shame that they started building on there. What is it they're building?
It's like a big dual carriageway.
So he's accidentally caught a little
A
fish.
stickleback. See all the little spines on it? See 'em?
Ooh. I don't know how long it's been out. I think it was only out a couple of minutes, a couple of seconds. So go on, what's in that?
Fish meal, ground bait, brown crumb, hemp seed and hemp water and sweet corn.
And it absolutely stinks. It's knocking me sick and I haven't even got a sense of smell, love.
They're all going in about the same place, aren't they?
And then we're off to Tesco so I can get something to eat. Why am I not focusing? There we go. Then we're off to Tesco so I can get something to eat. And then we're just going to chill and watch Supernatural, aren't we, babe?
Something like that.
Yeah. See you on the upside.